Do you know what time you wake up every morning? Do you think about your day?
Do you eat breakfast? Do you go to work? Do you go to school?
Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back, English learners. I am Lucy, and I am very happy today.
Hi, everyone. I am Jason, and I am also happy today. But first, I need coffee. I always need coffee.
Jason, it is not even 9 o'clock yet. You already want coffee?
Lucy, coffee is not a want. Coffee is a need. There's a big difference. Okay, maybe I am a little dramatic.
Huh, a little dramatic. Jason, you are very dramatic. But that is okay. We love you anyway.
Thank you, Lucy. That is very kind. I think. Okay, let's be honest. Without coffee, I am very slow in the morning.
Listeners, do you know someone like Jason? Someone who needs coffee in the morning? Maybe that is you. That is okay. We understand.
Yes, and speaking of mornings, today we talk about daily life and daily routines. This is a very useful topic for you.
It is okay. We all have a daily routine. A routine is what you do every day. We learn together.
This is a real conversation. Two friends talking about their day, just like you and your friends.
In this episode, you will learn how to talk about your day. You will learn simple words. You will feel more confident.
By the end, you can say what you do every day in English. This is a great skill.
Now, take a deep breath. Relax. There is no test today, no stress.
We speak slowly. We speak clearly. You can understand every word. We promise.
Do not worry about mistakes. This is a safe and happy place to learn.
We have a special tip for you today. It is very easy, but very powerful. Are you curious?
Listen carefully. There is a secret word today. It changes your conversations. Are you ready? Let's go. Jason, what time do you wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you, Lucy?
I wake up at 6:30. I wake up early.
6:30? That is very early. Do you feel good in the morning?
Not always. Sometimes I feel tired, but I drink coffee. Then I feel better.
Yes, coffee is great in the morning. I drink coffee too. We're the same, Lucy.
Do you eat breakfast, Jason?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. I usually eat bread and eggs. It is simple, but good.
Same here. I eat breakfast every day. I eat rice and fruit. I like fruit in the morning.
Do you have a shower in the morning or at night?
I have a shower in the morning. I like to start the day clean and fresh. How about you?
Me too. I have a shower in the morning. Then I feel ready for the day.
Great. So we both wake up, have a shower, eat breakfast. That is a good morning routine.
Yes, a good morning routine is very important. It helps you start your day well.
Listeners, think about your morning. What do you do first? We want to know.
Do you do different things on weekdays and weekends?
Yes. On weekdays, I wake up early. I go to work. I am very busy.
I understand. On weekdays, I work too. I start work at 9 o'clock.
What time do you finish work, Jason?
I usually finish at 5 o'clock. Then I go home. I feel tired, but happy.
Me too. 5 o'clock is a great time. The day is done.
How about weekends, Lucy? What do you do on weekends?
Oh, weekends are different. I wake up late. I sleep until 8 or 9. It is wonderful.
Same here. On weekends, I sleep a little longer. It feels so good. Do you ever cook on weekends? I love cooking on Saturdays.
Yes, I cook on Sundays. I make a big meal. I invite my family. It is a good time.
That sounds lovely, Lucy. Family time is very important.
Yes, on weekdays, life is busy. On weekends, life is more relaxed. I prefer weekends.
Me too. But weekdays are important too. They help us feel good about weekends.
Listeners, do you like weekdays or weekends? Think about it. There is no wrong answer. Jason, what do you do after work? How do you relax?
After work, I usually watch TV. I like simple shows. What about you, Lucy?
I like to read. I read books or I read on my phone. It helps me relax.
Really? That is interesting. Do you read in English?
Sometimes, I try to read simple things in English. It is good practice.
That is a great idea. Reading in English is very helpful. Good job, Lucy.
Do you ever exercise after work, Jason?
It depends. On some days, I go for a walk. I like walking in the evening.
Walking is wonderful. Fresh air is so good after a day at work.
How often do you exercise, Lucy?
I exercise 3 times a week. I go to the gym on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
3 times a week? That is great. You are very active.
It is not hard. I start small. Even a short walk is good exercise.
Yes, start small. Be consistent. That is the key. Listeners, do you exercise? How often?
Remember, any exercise is good. Even 10 minutes. You can do it.
Lucy, what time do you go to bed at night?
I usually go to bed at 10:30. I need a lot of sleep. How about you?
I go to bed at 11, sometimes 11:30. I am a night person.
Really? Do you feel tired in the morning?
Sometimes, but I drink coffee. Then I feel okay. You know, coffee is my best friend.
Me too. Coffee is very important in the morning. Jason, we are coffee twins.
Coffee twins. I love it. Okay, Lucy, do you have a bedtime routine? What do you do before you sleep?
Yes, I turn off my phone, I read a little, then I sleep. It is a calm routine.
That sounds peaceful. I usually turn off the lights and listen to soft music.
Do you ever feel it is hard to sleep?
Sometimes. It depends on my day. If I am very busy, sometimes my mind is active.
I understand. A calm bedtime routine helps a lot. No phone, no TV, just relax.
Yes, a good night of sleep is very important. It helps you have a good day tomorrow.
So, a good routine in the morning and at night, that is the secret to a good day.
That is the special tip today. A good routine, morning and night. Simple and powerful.
Listeners, think about your bedtime. What do you do before you sleep? Think about it. Great conversation, Jason. Now let's look at the key words from today. Are you ready, listeners?
Yes, these words are very useful. Listen carefully. Repeat after us if you want.
Word number 1, usually.
Usually. Usually. Usually.
Usually means most of the time. Not always, but most of the time.
Example. I usually wake up at 7. I usually eat breakfast.
Say it with me. Usually. 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 Good.
Word number 2. How about you?
How about you? This is a question. You ask someone to share their answer too.
Example. I wake up at 7. How about you? It means, what about you?
This is a very friendly question. Use it in conversation. How about you? Word number 3. Same here and me too.
Same here. Me too. These mean, I also do this. I feel the same.
Example. I like coffee in the morning. Same here. Me too.
These small words make conversation feel natural and friendly. Practice them. Word number 4. Really.
Really? Really? This word shows surprise or interest.
Example, I wake up at 5 o'clock. Really? That is very early.
Really shows you are listening. Really shows you are interested. It is very useful. Word number 5. How often?
How often? This asks how many times, how many days.
Example, how often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week.
How often is a simple question. You can use it anytime. How often do you drink coffee? Word number 6, do you ever? Do you ever? This asks about sometimes, not always, just sometimes.
Example, do you ever cook at home? Do you ever go for a walk at night?
Do you ever is a gentle question. It is not too strong. It is very natural. Try it. Word number 7, I prefer.
I prefer. This means I like this one more than that one.
Example, I prefer weekends. I prefer coffee over tea. I prefer walking over running.
I prefer shows your opinion. Share your preferences. It's a great conversation tool.
Word number 8, it depends.
It depends. This is a very useful phrase. Sometimes the answer is not yes or no.
Example, do you sleep late? It depends. On weekdays, no. On weekends, yes.
It depends is honest and natural. Real conversations use this phrase a lot.
Word number 9, on weekdays and on weekends.
On weekdays means Monday to Friday. On weekends means Saturday and Sunday.
Example, on weekdays I work. On weekends I relax.
These 2 phrases are very important for talking about routines. Practice them.
And word number 10, that's interesting.
That's interesting. This shows the other person you are listening. You are engaged.
Example, I wake up at 5 every day. Really? That's interesting. Tell me more.
That's interesting makes conversations warm and friendly. Try to use it today.
Great. 10 key words, 10 useful phrases. You are doing so well.
Practice these words. Use them every day. They will help you speak naturally in English. Now it is your turn. We have some questions for you. Think about your own life.
These are simple questions. There's no wrong answer. Just think and respond.
Take your time. Think slowly. It is okay to think before you answer.
Question 1. What time do you wake up? Is it early or late? Think about it.
For example, I wake up at 6:30. What about you? Question 2. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes or no?
Yes, I eat breakfast. Or, no, I don't eat breakfast. Which one is you? Question 3. Do you prefer weekdays or weekends? Weekdays or weekends? Think.
I prefer weekends. How about you? Weekdays or weekends? Question 4. How often do you exercise? Every day? 3 times a week? Sometimes.
Example, I exercise 2 times a week. How often do you exercise? Question 5. What do you do after work or school? Do you watch TV, read, walk?
I read after work. What about you? What do you usually do after your day? Question 6. What time do you go to bed? Early or late? Are you a night person?
I go to bed at 11, sometimes later. I'm a little bit of a night person. How about you? Question 7. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? Coffee or tea?
I drink coffee. I need coffee in the morning. Do you drink coffee? Yes or no? Question 8. Do you have a bedtime routine? What do you do before you sleep?
I listen to soft music. I relax. Then I sleep. What is your bedtime routine? Question 9. Do you ever cook at home? Do you like cooking? Yes or no?
I cook on weekends. I love to cook. Do you ever cook? Think about it. Question 10. How is your morning routine? Is it the same every day or different?
My morning routine is usually the same. Wake up, shower, coffee, work. Simple and good.
Wonderful. Great thinking today. These questions help you talk about your own life.
Practice these questions with a friend or talk to yourself in English. It really helps.
Fantastic! You finished the whole episode. We are so proud of you.
Today you learned about daily life, morning routines, weekdays and weekends, free time, bedtime.
You also learned 10 important words and phrases. These are real words. Use them in real life.
Remember, small steps every day. Practice a little, be patient. You are getting better.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us today. You are doing great.
And remember, if you feel tired, just do what I do. Drink coffee. Ha! Okay. Sleep is also important.
Jason, go to sleep. And listeners, you too. Rest well. Study tomorrow. See you next time.
Bye-bye, friends. Keep practicing, keep smiling. We believe in you.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Good luck.